Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you how to create group policy to transfer file from the server to the client. Okay, firstly we go to the Active Directory server and then we need to create one new organization unit, and okay, this is that we can put the name that we require, workstation test. Okay, now I have organization unit, and then we need to create new group C object in this organization unit. I call it transfer file. Okay, after create, we need to edit this group policy, and we go to computer configuration, preference, Windows setting, file. Okay, new file. We need to define the source file and destination file. Source file means that the source that we need to transfer from our server to client. So we need to define the path that we would like to store the software or file and transfer to client. So now I have one file called anydesk, and I copy to the path. So the path I put internet log on in lady server and I pass it. So I need to create one folder called software, and then I move the anydesk to software. Okay, and then I double click it and go to copy path file to the group policy that we create to transfer file. Put in the path. Okay, path and destination, we will find the client. So I would like to put in the C drive called group optional. So let's see. C drive group optional. And go to the group policy the same and put it in destination folder called group optional and that is slash software. Okay, so this is the destination folder to client. So right now, to make sure I have already, and I need to delete it to confirmation how this group policy work. I delete it to make sure. Okay, this is the client to confirm, and then we go to Active Directory server and group policy transfer file, and then we go to Active Directory to see the client. So we need to check the host name of our client called Windows 10 001, and it is in computer default folder. This folder will not apply, so we need to move this client to workstation test that we have applied the group policy. Okay, now I move ready. So to make it work, we need to update the group policy from command line. We can type GP update. Normally GP update not apply immediately. It take effect around 30 minutes for default. So when we type GP update, it's not effect. So we need to force it by command line GP update and /force. Okay. After I type this command line, we see the folder appear. Okay. And this is folder software and AnyDesk software. Our group policy is applied and it's working. Okay. Thank you. You can follow this tutorial. Subscribe for more.